Welcome back to our home. I hope you guys are excited to see the Valentine decor. Now, if you are joining us from the Christmas tour, home tour, and you've never seen any of my other home tours, I do not go as full out as Christmas ever. It's definitely more minimalistic during Valentine's, Easter, 4th of July, pretty much every other holiday but Halloween and Christmas. I choose to go a little bit more minimalistic to my standards. And Christmas and Halloween, I go crazy all out. So I hope you guys enjoy this more minimal but very festive Valentine's decor video. Welcome to the Valentine's home tour. Here is the entrance into the kitchen area, and you'll see that there are a lot of red and pink accents throughout the entire house. That's one thing I love about Valentine's Day. I get to be a little girly in the house. We have these really cute little miniature berry heart wreaths, and I purchased those at Michael's a few years back, but I know that they have something similar now. And I put these little heart pieces intermingled with the wreaths here in the center to give it a little bit more of a Valentine flair, with some faux roses as well, and a candle in the center. And then these little open pieces on the counter are from Kirkland Home. Then I have our little heart drying mat just for a little extra pop of color. And over here in our coffee station, we have some cute extras like this Be Mine cup from Home Goods. And I have a little stand here from Target Dollar Spot. A lot of the items inside are from there as well, except for the cup itself. These little cups are already done. I put some espresso beans in the espresso one. It made it smell incredible in that corner, like coffee was always brewing. And I love that little sign from Target. Moving over to the oven area, we have our Mr. and Miss cloths that a subscriber sent us years back from our wedding. And then we do have a new wreath for Bessie. I just made one for her, a little Valentine wreath with some clips that came from a garland from the Target Dollar Spot, and the wreath itself was from Hobby Lobby. And over here in my crock next to the stovetop, I just added a few extra Valentine details to give a little color pop. And I do use these quite often. They're baking spatulas. And then underneath my spoon rest, I do have this little oven mitt that looks like it's the shape of a heart. And next to the stovetop, I have this piece that was purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I have a lot of my Ray Dunn goodies on here, including this cute garland that is bee and Valentine themed, so it fit me well. And then we have some extra details like the conversation heart candies that are scattered on the top, this little sign that was found at the Dollar Tree or Dollar General, and then the rolling pin that has some embossing to it that was found at Home Goods. Moving over into the kitchenette, we have the buffet table that I made into a Valentine candy bar. And I also have my 3-tiered tray over here with lots of fun pink and red girly details, like the straws have hearts on them. I have some faux cupcakes that are Valentine themed, and candy everywhere. As you can see, I used the jars from the Target Dollar Spot, and they sometimes will have these still in different colors, or you can find a similar version at Hobby Lobby, but I filled them with different Valentine candies. My favorite are definitely those gummies that I'm going to show you guys in a second from Trader Joe's, but then also I have some canisters over here from Ray Dunn, and then this cute little birdie from Target that I made a little wreath for him, excuse me, a little nest for him out of a wreath. The table itself, I didn't go too crazy decorating since we were having family and the kids over, so I just did some cute Valentine mats. And then on our mug display, I ended up changing it up a bit and doing some heart plates and some Valentine themed mugs and additional kitchen items. And now we're moving over into the living room. We have this cute red truck that I showed you guys at Christmas time that I now have Valentine gnomes in and a cute Valentine pillow. And then on the sofa table, I have some fun Valentine accents with the runner, and that little guy is holding a heart as he's sledding, has like a little bit of a winter theme with it too. In the living room, I have a few accent pillows, mostly from Home Goods over the years, and the cute runner in the center of the table that looks like conversation hearts to me. The candles that are on top of the table, I actually purchased from the dollar store and made them a little bit more Valentine themed by adding some ribbon to them. This little XO board with the hearts is from the Target Dollar Spot years past. We have another cute accent pillow from Home Goods. And over on the entertainment center, I did add some of those clip hearts to our lanterns to make them more Valentine themed. And most of the other items are our everyday items I would have, but I just added a few Valentine details like the red ribbons and a few accent pieces. I also incorporated these cute berry heart wreaths that were from Kirkland Home last year. I believe they had them again this year though. Last year we had them on our kitchen cabinets, and this year I decided to put them here as an accent in the living room. We also have those little glittery hearts in our plants too, to give the plants some Valentine spirit. And then I have our piano now in the living room. Now it needs a lot of love and care, so don't judge the piano, but I did end up putting some greenery on there and some candles. And on the table, transitioning into where our master bedroom is, I have some of our framed pictures and this pretty runner from Target that was from a few years past. It says I love you in different colors. I really love that piece. And I have some faux florals in an antique vase that I found last year. And then this sign that's there all year, but it's perfect for Valentine's. And in our master bedroom, we don't have too many details going on except for this really cute heart pillow and the Mr. and Miss pillows. And that is going to conclude the Valentine home tour for 2022. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos.